The Meghalaya Power Minister T Mondal announced today that the refurbishment and repair of the Umiam Bridge are slated for completion by the end of July this year. Discussing the repair progress, T Mondal highlighted that ongoing work has prompted a recommendation to the state government based on advice from IIT Guwahati, advocating for the use of concrete topping instead of bitumen to enhance the bridge's longevity.
Status is like that in Leshka, our 2 units were out of generation. One of normal overhauling that we require to do, so that has gone, and another one is for maintenance only. So I set the date as 5th of May as the last date for completion of the work, and it has been completed on 5th only. And 6th we synchronized, 7th we started generating. Almost 1 million unit we have generated. So now 2 units are running in old condition. 3rd unit is for overhauling. That required because these are machinery things and not done the job for quite long time. So I expect that by June and that one also will be finished. We have come into a little modification. Earlier the talk was that we will put bituminous surface, but now IIT Guwahati is suggesting us that we should go for concrete surface. So if we go for concrete surface, that means laying of concrete will require some time for curing and all those things. So we will be laying one side first, then wait for that specific time, then we'll allow the vehicle to fly from that side, and then the other side where the bitumen and other concrete is there will be removed clean and then casted, and that also will take. So this will take some more time as what we expected that by June we should finish, but we may go beyond maybe July, but we'll try to finish it off within July itself.